Hi everyone, this is Karthik Chandran from Optisol Data Labs. Here I'm going to do a demo of a machine learning model for text classification. This model is trained using a multinomial naive Bayes algorithm. This multinomial naive Bayes is a probabilistic classification algorithm that trains fast and also performs the inference fast. We train this model on 8,000 emails as labeled training data. The algorithm will take a body of text as input and classify it into one of the 20 labels that you see here. For this demo, what we have done is we have built a web wrapper around the model, and we have hosted it in a public IP address. I have Google searched some sample text that I can use to test this algorithm on. Let's go ahead. Okay, so this text is about IBM, entering into the blockchain market. So I'm just copying. I did some Google search on IBM, and I'm just copying some text, and then I'm pasting it in the classifier, and then I'm asking it to classify. So it has classified this text into science and cryptography. I think it had a certain text that made it more likely to be of this category. Let's go to another example. Here I Google search the difference between a single cylinder and a double cylinder motorcycle engine, and this is a body of text that let me just copy. I think this compares these two different kinds of engines, and then I'm just going to paste it here. Then I'm clicking classify. Okay, so the algorithm parsed this text, and then it has classified under this category recreation autos. I think that's a fair classification. Okay, so then I searched benefit of sports, and then I have these some health benefits of playing sports. It's a bulleted list coming from some health related website, and I'm pasting it here, and I'm clicking classify, and then the algorithm classified this into science medicine. Okay, so let's now let's search for something that's on the news politics. Maybe I can try this link. North Korea building new missiles. So I'll just copy a random paragraph in this article. Oops. Then I'm pasting it here. And okay, it classified it to science space. Since the topic dealt about ballistic missiles, I think it classified this text in this particular category, science space. There's another category for talks, politics, and Middle East. So let me see if I can search something about Middle East peace. So I searched peace in Israel, and then I got this body of text. Let me copy this. And then it correctly classified into talks, politics, and Middle East. Let's see if we can get something for talk, politics, and guns. Let me search something about gun control in the US. Okay, so I'm just going to copy a text from a Wikipedia entry that related to guns and politics. And then I'm pasting it here, clicking classify, and it did correctly classify this as related to politics and guns. Like this, when we did our validation of this model, we got 77% accuracy in our validation tests. This is just a quick demo of what we can do in the text classification and in the NLP space. This project is going to be hosted in this URL. So if somebody viewing this video, if you want to like give this algorithm a trial, please go ahead and do so at this URL. Thank you.